A lot of times people ask me for advice about what they should do or how they should handle a certain situation. And most of the time it would be really easy for me to just tell them my opinion. But when I do that, I'm very aware that this kind of advice can become a shortcut for them. It can even become a form of spiritual bypassing. The truth is, the only way anyone can understand how to handle any situation is with their own clear mind. That's why most of the time I don't give people specific answers. Instead, I tell them to practice sitting meditation and moving meditation every single day until their own mind becomes clear. And when they're not formally practicing, I tell them to stay completely focused on whatever they're doing, as if the activity itself was their mantra. The problem is, most people don't follow this advice. They want me to tell them something different, something more specific. Maybe they think I have some sort of strategy I can give them that will solve the issue that they're having. To most people, the idea of clearing your mind sounds too easy. But it's not easy. The conditions of most people's lives make this incredibly difficult to do. It's very simple, but it's not easy. For most people, it requires really working on themselves. It requires letting go of all the narratives you've created about yourself and the world we live in. Most people find some sort of comfort in the narratives they've created and cling to them, even if the narratives are creating more suffering. The thought of letting them go can cause a lot of distress. Honestly, I think it would be easier for most people if I just gave them another narrative or a set of instructions to follow. If I made a list of 10 rules of conduct or 5 rituals you have to perform, most people will feel like that's more helpful. But ultimately, it wouldn't help them. There's a problem with that. If you just do what I tell you, you never find out for yourself. You don't learn anything for yourself. And you don't learn anything about yourself. Zen teaches you that you need to understand your true nature. How can you do that if you never find out for yourself? You need to know who you are and what you should do in every moment. Many people go to astrologers, psychics, and tarot card readers because they can be very good at reading people and situations and telling people about themselves and what to do. But this still creates a problem because you don't need to know what someone else knows about you or what some book or what some set of cards tells you. You need to know for yourself. And you need to know the things that no one else can tell you about yourself. The only way to do that is to deeply contemplate who you are and what your true nature is. If you do this long enough, you'll come up with many different answers. But as long as you create any kind of narrative, you'll never be completely satisfied that it's true. Words will always come up short. You need to keep going until you run out of words. True understanding transcends all words.